Hi, hello! Alam mo ba na one of the major causes of health problems is eating unhealthy food? Aminin na natin, lalo na kung wala kang sapat na kakayahan to choose a healthy food because of lack of money and lack of time to prepare because of your busy schedule. Ito pa yung nakakalungkot, apektado din yung family mo. Lalo na yung mga kids ngayon, ang hirap na pakainin ng gulay. So, paano natin masolve ang problema na to para maiwasan natin ng magkaroon ng chronic diseases? May good news ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba to? This is a whole food concentrate products, a plant-based products na itinanim, hinarvest, at pinapowderize from our own manufacturing plant in New Zealand. Pag nakainom ka nito, which is 3 grams, para ka na rin kumain ng 5 platong salad. At alam mo ba na ang barley ay 11 times more calcium than cow's milk, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 6 times more carotene, 5 times more iron than spinach, and 4 times more vitamin B1 than whole wheat flour. At hindi lang yan, ang barley powder is a total complete food. Dahil ito ay punong-puno ng vitamins, minerals, amino acid, fiber, enzymes, chlorophyll, phytonutrients na essential for boosting our immune system. At nakakatulong din ito para magkaroon ng tamang function ang ating mga vital organs like heart, liver, lungs, and kidney. At alam mo ba na nakakuha ko ng 30% lifetime discount nito? And may libre pa. Gusto mo bang malaman? Comment down below, send me a message, or follow for more. So, ano pang inaantay mo? Let's drink 1 glass of barley juice every day.